When the power goes out, you need more than a generator. You need a setup you can trust. That's why we created the DuroMax Authorized Installer Network, a nationwide group of licensed, vetted, and approved professionals trained to install DuroMax generators the right way. Every installer in our network meets strict standards. They're verified, experienced, and fully aligned with DuroMax best practices for safety, reliability, and code compliance. No guessing, no gambling, just qualified pros you can count on. And finding one is simple. Just head to DuroMaxPower.com and use our Find an Installer tool. Enter your zip code and instantly get matched with trusted local installers ready to help you power your home. Whether you're installing a transfer switch, integrating home backup power, or upgrading your setup, you're backed by the official DuroMax network. Real pros, approved by us. Ready when you are.